I've moved over to the cooker now, so we're going to start cooking. So you're going to need a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter to cook in the pan. Now remember, okay, so about a 50p size bit of oil in your pan. Hello, Teddy. Okay, so light your cooker, medium flame, not a big one, just a little one. Put in your 50p size oil into your pan, just a little bit. And then you also want a little tiny bit of butter. Now the butter's going to give it flavour, just a teaspoon in there as well. Now the oil is going to prevent the butter burning, so that will make sure that you have the nice flavour of the butter. Now just let that melt in the pan a little bit, and then add your onions and your garlic first. You're just going to give it a little bit of a cook first of all. Now, I think I made a mistake. Maybe you should have not put the onions in and left them on your chopping board as well. I'm also going to put my garlic in. That'll give it some nice flavour. And just give that a stir. Cook that for about a minute, and then we'll add all the other vegetables. Okay, so I've cooked my onions and my garlic for a minute, and now I'm going to add all my other vegetables. Now I want to coat all of the vegetables thoroughly with the oil and the butter and the onion mixture. So stir it around and around really well. Now at this point, because I want to make a nice thick creamy sauce, I'm going to add some flour. Now you can add plain flour or some corn flour to thicken it. If you use corn flour, use slightly less. Now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of flour. So 1 tablespoon of flour. Sprinkle it in all over the veg. Now you want to coat all of your vegetables in the pan with the flour mixture, okay? Okay, next, get yourself a stock cube. You can get any stock cube you want. This is a vegetable one because I'm doing it for vegetarians. So you sprinkle and break up. Try not to get your stock cube onto the floor. And then you boil a kettle and you add 600 millilitres of boiling water to the stock cube. Okay, so I'm back. So with your stock, you're going to try and dissolve it a little bit into the hot water, and when you've done that, you're going to then pour it onto your soup mixture, and you're going to give it a good stir. Now it's gone off the heat a little bit, gone off the boil, so turn your heat back up again. And you keep stirring the mixture, so keep stirring the mixture, and then for extra flavour we're going to add a tablespoon of tomato puree, or a little squirt for some flavour, and we're going to add some mixed herbs. So I've got some mixed herbs. Going to add a little sprinkle of mixed herbs into the mixture to add flavour.